Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to remove a product from favorites on Etsy. So as you can see, we're here on Etsy. This is basically etsy.com, right? The first page that you see, and as you can see, I added a couple of products right here to my favorites, right? I saved it to their favorites, and I can also add them to collection. But what can I do to remove product from favorites on Etsy? So to remove products from favorites on Etsy, I have to go here to favorites, as you can see. Now here, I will basically go to the product, right? And obviously here we can just exit out of this. And here we can basically, unclick the heart icon here. And as you can see, this will basically, if we go here, done, right? Now this is removed from favorites, right? Now what you can do is, if you go back to Etsy, what you can also do is, if for example you see that you added this to favorites, you can unclick as well, right? So this is removed from favorites right now. So this is basically how to remove a product from favorites on Etsy. It's a fairly simple way of doing it. If you want more tutorials like this, comment down below which tutorial you want to see next on Etsy, and thank you guys for watching.